guys. Let's see what we got. Well, since the car came here for a check engine light, we're gonna see why the light is on. Looks like it came here for a misfire. So more than likely a tune-up is gonna take care of it. All right, we got a P0304, misfire cylinder number 4. All right, let's see what it's like in gear. You know what? Let's do this real quick so I can verify, just to be on the safe side. Now we're gonna clear it and see what it does. Well, since it's not misfiring right now, I'm thinking more like a ignition coil. Spark plug ignition coil. That's generally gonna be it. The car's not that old. It's got 130K. It's running pretty decent. So I'm just gonna test drive it and see if I can get it to actually act up. So far it's running pretty good. I'm gonna talk to the customer, see if he can explain anything else extra, what's going on with it, but time will tell. We'll see.